you need to buy a new printer. You know, this is not a bad printer. The cheapest printer on Amazon. This printer comes with 2 ink cartridges. It will work on all versions of Windows. It does not come with a USB cable. Luckily, I have a USB cable. I'll put a link in the description so you can purchase that. It's not a wireless printer. It's an optional high yield cartridge. This printer takes ink cartridge type 63 standard and XL. It has a 1-year warranty. It's not wireless. Alright, let's set it up. Now I need some razor blade. I'm just going to cut into it right here. And right here. Let's see what we got here. Alright, there it is. Got the manual here. We got our power cable. We got our ink cartridge. Ink cartridge here. This is our black ink cartridge. Then we have our tricolor. A tricolor there. Then we have our DVD, our instruction manual here. Some disclosures about drinking ink cartridges and keeping it away from kids who drink it, I guess. Some cardboard there. Let's open this up here. Alright. Open up this way, get a better angle of the camera. Put it on right there, that looks nice. Alright, we'll need the box some more. And look at that. Look at that, it's all saran wrapped. It's all like nice plastic. It's never like that. So I'm just going to cut into it somewhere. Kind of pull all this off. Alright, there we go. There it is. Right there, it's nice. That's an upgrade. These cheap printers are getting better all the time. Look at that. Look at that. Dang. A little stopper there. Let's take this off. Let's get this ink inside here. Somehow, I guess the instructions might help. We gotta put the ink right here. Apparently. Pull this off. Oh, you gotta plug it in before you get the ink in there. You know what else we need? We need our data cable. Find that data cable. I am not prepared. Alright, so I got my data cable. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Put it right in. Press this button here. Doing something. It's thinking. This thing. Yeah. Now look at that. Spots to put the printer ink. Alright, let's check it out here. So the ink goes down there. Purple one goes on this side. There we go. And now we need our data cable. Plug this into a computer here with a USB Type B cable. You're going to need one of these because it doesn't come with it. Right in the back here. See that? Alright. Makes a little doo-doo sound on the computer. Computer's talking about hardware. Minimize this here. Let's get our software out, which is our CD here. Let's put it in our disk drive. Put it in the disk drive. Close it. Let's see what that looks like on the computer. You're going to get one of these shields at the very bottom of your screen. Alright, so it looks like then this setup screen pops up here. And it says go online to set up the device. Or it says no thanks, I want to set using the CD. The CD option sounds faster to me. So I'm going to go CD. Hit continue. Alright, I'm just going to say next here. Here as well. Alright, I'm in home use. Not sure why it needs to know where I live. This is kind of an interesting question. I'm sure I could just lie, but why? Is it already ready? Is this just like an ad? Can I use it already? Let's see if I can just use it without entering this information in. It shouldn't really matter. Okay, so I'm just helping them at this point, so I can't really exit out of it though. So I'm just like forced to help them. Alright, here we go. The ultimate test, the notepad test. Go to print. And there's our printer right there in the select print area. So all we gotta do is hit print. First we need to make sure we have we need to make sure we have paper in our printer. Just grab piece of paper here. Move this thing over. And just put it right in. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So now we got the paper in there. We have our printer on. The computer sees the printer. Let's see if we can't print something. Press print here on the computer. Cartridge cannot move. Check for paper jam. Press OK when ready to cancel. OK. Our cartridge jammed somehow. I'm just going to shove the cartridge over. See if that does it. Alright, door cover must be closed to print. Alright, so out of paper. Wow, that was fast. Dang. That was fast. Dang. Maybe we can't test it. Maybe we can test limits here. This is a test right here. Let this one dry. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna hang that up on the wall. That is wall worthy. It's a pretty nice picture. Nice and cheap. Look at all the colors. Got that right there or something? We got an art creator, makes art. So my review does everything it says it's going to do. It was pretty easy to set up. The longest time was just waiting for the software to load. If you're looking for a really cheap printer, this is definitely a printer you want to buy. These printers just get better and better. So even buying a cheaper printer now, you're still going to get what most of these better printers come with. Would you buy this printer? Let me know in the comments. And subscribe for more unboxing videos.